been using our smartphones more than ever, and with development of apps, everything is done on this little device. Obviously, leading to degrading battery life and therefore reduced performance of our smartphones. Now, there are so many factors that influence the battery life, like background apps, reducing brightness levels, or reducing the notifications from the social media apps. And simply just switching them off can actually dramatically save your battery life or extend it to a longer period of time. But if all of that sounds a little bit too much for you, then battery saver apps might just be useful for you. The first app I have for you is the DU Battery Saver app, which has the most number of downloads than any other battery saver app. And the second one that I have for you is the Battery HD, which is much more simpler than the previous one. Upon starting the DU Battery Saver for the first time, you are presented with a main page that tells you how much battery life you have left. There's also a Optimize button that looks for problem apps and optimizes background processes to extend your battery life. When I tested mine, I got extra 71 minutes of battery life. There's a phone cooler feature which helps the users to cool down their phone's CPU to 38 degrees, which is apparently a safe operating temperature, also advising which apps are heating up in the device. Now, mind you, there will be an additional icon added onto your phone while you use this battery cooler option. Charge is one good feature of this DU Battery Saver app. The user gets a complete graphical view of present battery life, status, and the battery life that is remaining. The user can even choose from 3 different charging modes, which is trickle charge, full charge, and fast charge. There is a calendar option that lets the user track all the days on which he or she charges the smartphone. So DU Battery Saver is actually has many features, but do expect a lot of ads. The second one I have is Battery HD, which is a relatively simpler app and fewer options than the previous one. The home screen starts with the remaining battery life with other details like type of battery used, phone battery details, quick advice on phone temperature, battery health, and time since the last charging. It quite simply shows how many hours can the battery survive if you use the following, like internet browsing, listening to music, watching video, talking on the phone, reading books, etc. It has usage graphs as well with estimated time remaining. You can see details on which apps are using up your battery. You can change notification according to your liking and requirement. You can also calibrate your device and share with others. They do have a pro version which is ad-free. I hope you do like the About To reviews on the Battery Saver apps. If there are any specific reviews you want me to do, please kindly send me a comment below. I will be back with another review. Thank you so much.